My name is Javad Fardaei. I must say, 2018 quantum mechanics prove gravity's myth. Majority of people thinks that gravity exists and that it is located under the ground where it's pulling everything down. This is what we have learned in the school. It has been teaching our children more than centuries that gravity is Newtonian gravity. A force in the center of the earth that is pulling us down appear to make sense. It seems to working well with the science of physics too. But it has some problem and glitch that up to this day scientists cannot figure it out. For example, if two objects drop from a tower at the same time, the heavier object reach the ground first. It makes sense because we think the big mass of the earth pulling heavier object faster. But when we apply the same experiment on a vacuum space or space without the atmosphere, these two objects reach the ground at the same time. The question is raised, where is the mass of the earth to pull in heavier object stronger? Based on more mass, more gravity. There is no answer for that. When we cut the earth in halves, we see the heavier element are located in the center of the core. As we come to the surface of the earth, the mass of element is getting lighter and lighter. This is a fact. Like over the ground is a water. Over the water we have oxygen, and over the oxygen we have a nitrogen. This is a foundation of Earth or any planet in universe. How this sorting took the place is another subject which can be answered by quantum mechanic functions. Furthermore, the universe has been designed this way. Earth does not have any gravity force to pull anything down. What an object does is dealing with the fighting with the oxygen or atmosphere. Believe it or not, if the earth had a gravity, no life would exist. We would not have a rain because the earth gravity, it will not let a mass of the water goes up. If the earth had gravity, we could not bounce a ball. The basketball never be exist in simple form because of the earth gravity, or we could not even shoot the ball so far. Generally, we really don't feel any gravity under our feet either. Anything that has mass less than oxygen, it goes up like a balloon with the helium in it. Anything that has more mass than oxygen, like a water, will be under the oxygen level or top of the earth. This is the rule of Earth or universe. Einstein's general relativity is that gravity pulling in one direction is completely equivalent to acceleration in opposite direction. A car accelerating forward feels just like a gravity push you back against your seat. An elevator accelerating upward feels just like a gravity push your body down into the floor. This statement has been textbook for centuries. We all learn it this way, but in reality, in both cases, it's not the result of gravity pull you that we feel in our body. What we feel is the result of speed versus our body weight against the resistance of body mass or the body mass of atmosphere. In the simple form, it is a replacement of our body mass against the mass of atmosphere. The acceleration upward in elevator is the same. The mass of atmosphere push our body down. It is happening all the time to a jet pilot in the airplane upon takeoff or on a roller coaster ride in an amusement park. The forward and back motion of swing and the air pressure against our body and many more interaction of speed against our body weight because of the mass of the air pressure pushing our body mass. But it is not result of any gravity. All are result of action of speed against our body weight. That's all. If we apply the same principle under the water, the resistance of mass of water will be more effective than the pressure of the atmosphere. I am afraid to say that it has nothing to do with the gravity, as stated by Einstein. I believe in his calculation he forgot mass of the oxygen. Another good example is in space when astronauts are repairing instruments outside of space shuttles. They are moving 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour, but they don't feel any gravity resistance against their body because there is no atmosphere mass against their body in space. This perception of gravity based on action reaction in these cases has been misjudged and is not accurate. Everything is fighting with the mass of oxygen. That's all.